Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about um, the high frequency words. Some of you have seen this before, and we are going to be doing several lessons. This is basically going to probably replace some of the sentences that you have to do. Okay. So, what I'd like for you to do is look at the words, say them, and if you have any words that you're not sure of, ask Miss Candida or myself, and we will go over them. So, in this one, it's and, pencil, both, she, circle, talk, family, use, go, win. So, in part A, you need to write the word from the box, and this is the box for each picture. So this is a picture of a pencil. So you would go up here and find the word pencil and print it on the line. Now, you're going to need to download Kami. So you'd go up at the top of your thing up here, and where it says select annotate with, you're going to annotate with Kami. So that way you can type these out. Let's look at part B. Part B tells us that these boxes represent the words. So the first box is two words that are the same height, and then one that has part of it sticks up. So you're going to look at all of the words that would apply to that. And, there's a couple of ways you might look at that. You might find all of the words that only have three letters. So that would be and, she, use. So that's three words that would have only three letters. We're looking for a word that has two letters that are the same height and one letter that goes tall to the top. So and has two letters that are the same height, and the third one goes tall. She has two letters, but they are split by the one that goes tall. So it doesn't go tall on the third spot, it goes tall on the second spot. And then use has the same size letters all the way across, okay? So when you go down here, you're going to know that and, A, N, and then the D is going to go right here. So you're going to need to fit those in and use these words up here and use your deductive reasoning to figure it out, okay? You will only use the words once. And you only use half of them because there's only 6, okay? Then this is going to give you clues related to the words. Write a word that ends in ly, write a word begins like pen, and you're going to write those words down here. Spelling is going to count. The words are on the page, so there is no reason for you to misspell them. Okay. On the second page of the frequency lesson 3, again, you have your word box, and they are the same words. You're going to answer some sentences. What is the blank? Is it use, both, or circle? Which one best fit? What is in the use? What is in the both? What is in the circle? Well, it sounds to me like circle is the best choice. So you're going to circle, and go to the next one. Okay? You're going to answer all of those. Part E, write the word in the sentence that rhymes. So rhyming means that it sounds bat, cat, sat, hat. Okay? So you're going to rhyme a word. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. Okay? And these all will go in here. All right? So you're going to need to see what rhymes with each word. Then you're going to answer questions. Be thinking about what they're asking you. So you're going to write a yes or a no, not a Y or an N, but you're going to write the word yes or no. Okay. Does talk mean speak? Yes or no? Well, if you're talking, you're speaking. So that would be a yes, Y-E-S. So I'm not going to answer any more of those because you only have 4 of them. Now, I just went through 2 pages. You are not required to do 2 pages. You are required to do a page a day. Okay? These are going to be for most of you in lieu of doing your sentences. So you need to pay very close attention to when the due date is, because that is when yours has to be finished by. Okay? So on this high frequency box, you need to answer these in a complete sentence. I stands for a girl's name in a sentence. What am I? So these are I. This is saying this is what I am. So it means I stand for. So one of these words stands for a girl's name in a sentence. And then you're going to put those words down. Okay? Now, at the very bottom, there's a paragraph with questions. And these are very simple, but I want these in a complete sentence. These are your sentences that I'm looking at. So who has just moved? Well, if we read the story, the Tell family has a new house. So the Tell family is the one who just moved. So I would put the Tell family just moved into a new house. Okay? It asks who is older, Paul or Jill. I don't just want you to put Paul or Jill. I want you to put Paul is older than Jill. Okay? And then, so these have to be in complete sentences. This section's probably going to be worth 20 points by itself because this is your sentences. All right? Okay. So this is how you're doing your high frequency word list, and you'll be expected to do one of these a week. All right? All right.